Welcome everyone. In today's video, we will be discussing what is Power BI and the advantages of using Power BI tool. What is Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence and data visualization tool developed by Microsoft. It allows users to connect to various data sources, analyze data, clean data, and present the data in a more meaningful insight, and also create interactive dashboards and reports. Power BI is a collection of different components such as Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, and Power BI Mobile. Power BI Desktop is a free downloadable application for creating and designing data model, visualization, and reports. It acts as the primary tool for developing and publishing Power BI content. While Power BI Service is a cloud-based platform for sharing, collaborating, and managing reports and dashboards online. Basically, we could say that the Power BI Service extends the functionality of Power BI Desktop by allowing users to publish, share, and access their Power BI content from anywhere with an internet connection. The Power BI service can simply be said that it aids communication between users. After you are done with analyzing, cleaning, and visualizing your data, if you want to share your reports to people across the world, you can easily use Power BI service. So all you need to do is to publish your report from Power BI desktop to Power BI service. Also, it is important to note that Power BI service is not an open source. That means it's not free. Unlike Power BI desktop, you will have to pay for it. Okay, let me talk about the Power BI mobile. Power BI Mobile is the mobile application version of Power BI designed for phones, Android, and Windows devices, just like your normal phone app. It allows users to access, view, and interact with their Power BI reports and dashboard from anywhere. So assume you publish your report on the Power BI service. It's very easy to use the Power BI mobile to access your report anytime, anywhere without using a laptop. However, in this video, we will discuss more of Power BI desktop because that is where we can perform data analysis, data cleaning, and data visualization. Power BI desktop is where the main task is carried out. So this video will be more of detail of Power BI desktop. Okay, so Power BI comprises of collection of components embedded within the tool. And we have Power Query. Power Query is an ETL tool which will extract, transform, and load the data. It helps prepare data before it is used in data modeling or report and visualization. In a more simplified way, we could say Power Query is basically for cleaning the data where we have, for example, where we have null value, duplicate, empty row, or missing value. Power Query will help to clean the data up before building of dashboards. Next, we have Power View. Power View in Power BI is an interactive data visualization feature that allows users to get access to different charts that can be used for presentation, report, and dashboard. Example of these charts could be pie charts, bar charts, map, etc. Next, we have Power Pivot. Power Pivot's specific function is for data modeling. It is used to create relationship between multiple data sources. Now, all these components will be dealt with in our subsequent videos. So do well to subscribe to our channel so you can always get notification each time we upload a video. Advantages of using Power BI. There are so many advantages why you should use Power BI. But in this video, we will be curtailed to 4 specific advantages of using Power BI. Number 1, we have data connectivity. Power BI has the ability of importing data from over 100 data sources, including Excel, SQL, Oracle, CVS files, PDF files, and the rest of them. All you need to do is you name the data source and you can pull data from that particular source, including structured and unstructured data in Power BI. Also, we have cost effectiveness. Power BI is more affordable compared to other business intelligence tools. Power BI offers free version with ample features for individuals and small teams. For example, Power BI Desktop is a free tool that you can use. It's actually free. It's an open source, so it is free. You can make use of it, and it has a lot of features that can be used. Next, we have advanced data visualization. Power BI offers a wide variety of visualization such as chart, map, and custom visuals that can be used. They are already inbuilt. All you just need to do is to drag and drop. Don't worry, you see all of these in our subsequent videos. Also, Power BI offers a user-friendly interface. Power BI is an intuitive drag and drop functionality. It comprises of a pre-built dashboard and template that makes it very accessible for even a non-technical user. So you don't actually need to be a tech person for you to use Power BI. All you need to do is to understand how these little features works and how you can drag and drop. We've come to the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please do well to subscribe to our channel so you can always get notification each time we upload a video. Thank you. Bye bye.